Hi, I'm Kenny Webb with Frameworks Manufacturing, and we're going to run through a quick installation of a Type 2 single frame. The first step is to check the dimensions and square of the rough opening. So slip the header over the drywall, followed by the vertical jambs underneath the header. Be mindful to overlap the header over the vertical jambs by 3/8 of an inch. Check level of header and square of jamb legs. Install the angled header clips at each corner of the vertical jambs. Proper installation of these clips will allow the header to overlap the vertical jambs by 3/8 of an inch. After the header clips are installed and prior to installing the drywall screws, check again for square and measure that you do have a true 36-inch opening for a 3-foot wide door. Now anchor the frame to the wall using drywall screws every 12 inches. Now that the frame is secured to the wall, snap the trim on, starting with the outside piece, and with a rubber mallet, hit the inside of the trim. This trim conceals the clips and screws. So here we have installed a Frameworks Type 2 frame, ready to hang a door. Thanks for watching the video.